Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use structure reference in Adobe Firefly. Open the Adobe Firefly website and log into your account. You have to add the prompt in the bar you want to generate. Enter the details in it for an accurate image. Press enter and it will start generating the images according to the prompt. You will find 4 different images on the screen. Click on the upload image button at the left of the website. Select the image from your device and click the open. Click on the continue button on the pop-up window about uploading images. You will see the structure reference at the bottom of the website. Click on the generate button in the bottom right corner and you will see how it works. You will see different images in a row and you can generate multiple images by reprompting. Go to the ChatGPT website and search for the detailed style prompts for AI image generation. It will provide you with detailed style prompts and copy any of them. You can paste it in the bar at the bottom or add a new prompt. You can remove any of the detail and it will regenerate the image. It will give you all the images according to your reference image. Click on the download option to save it on your device. If you want to change the reference image, just upload the image from the device. On the right side, scroll down and you will see the style and reference section. Click on the Browse Gallery option in the reference section and you can select any image for the reference. Click on the Generate button to generate it according to the reference. It will start generating and you will see all the images on the screen. Try different references and click on Generate to create multiple images. Click on the Download button and save it in your gallery. Create cool images and try different references in Adobe Firefly. Download the image in your gallery by clicking the Download option. Open the Adobe Premiere Pro application on your PC or laptop. After opening the application, click on the untitled file. Drag and drop the image in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can add multiple images in the application by dragging. Adjust the scales of the images and be precise. After adjusting the clips with different variations, it will create a unique video. You can share it with other accounts. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.